The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Calcutta, or 8 miles north of East Liverpool, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaver Falls, Monica, Economy, Elwood City, New Brighton, Beaver, Calcutta, Baden, Zillionople, Rochester, Willowdale, Industry, Patterson Township, Conway, Big Beaver, Freedom, New Beaver, West Mayfield, Elport, and Cockle. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lawrence, Pennsylvania. This is NOAA Weather Radio.